Good morning, Korea!
I'm Rick, and this is your morning English show. Good morning, Korea. Let's get started. Part 1. Rick Reads. Today's story is called Volcano Day. It's school time. Leo is in science class. Today is Volcano Day. The teacher has a surprise. She has a small volcano model. The teacher says that the volcano will now erupt. She pours in some red liquid. It bubbles, it shakes, and then, boom! Red lava flows out of the top. The kids cheer. Leo says, "That was amazing." Part 2. Wake-up word. Today's wake-up word is volcano. Repeat after me. Vol-ca-no. Volcano. A volcano is a mountain. Hot lava comes out when it erupts. You can say, "This is a volcano," or "The volcano is erupting." Now you try. Volcano. I saw a volcano. Part 3. Phrase of the day. Today's phrase is, look out. This means, watch out or be careful. Use it when something is coming. Here are some examples. The volcano is erupting. Look out. Hot lava is coming. Look out. So next time there's danger or surprise, you can say, look out. Part 4. Show and tell. Now it's time for show and tell. Look at this picture. What do you see? There is a volcano. Red lava is coming out. A small boy is watching it. Let's describe this picture. A volcano. Red lava. A desk. A boy. Can you say it? The volcano is erupting. Great job! Part 5. Wise words. Today's wise words are, don't play with fire. This means, be careful. Some things are dangerous. Here's an example. Leo saw the volcano. He stayed far away. Don't play with fire. Repeat after me. Don't play with fire. Don't play with fire. Thanks for watching Good Morning Korea. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep learning, keep smiling, and watch out for lava. I'm Rick. See you soon.